Have you ever woken up in the morning, feeling just fine, until that familiar sensation returns? That sticky feeling in your throat? The need to clear it? Again. A soft cough, a little embarrassment, maybe even a moment of worry. You wonder quietly, why is this still happening? You've tried hot tea, allergy pills, maybe even cutting out dairy, but nothing sticks. Every morning, that mucus is right there waiting for you. You're not alone. In today's video, we're diving deep into a topic many seniors struggle with silently. It's more than just an annoyance. It's your body's way of sending a signal. So if you're over 60, or love someone who is, this is a conversation that could change your mornings, and maybe your confidence too. Let's explore why your body is producing this mucus every day, and more importantly, how you can help it stop, naturally. 1. Post-nasal drip and aging sinuses. Let's begin with one of the most overlooked causes, post-nasal drip from aging sinuses. As we get older, our sinuses change, just like the rest of our body. They become drier. The tiny hair-like structures that move mucus, they slow down. And what used to drain easily now starts to collect and drip down your throat. For some, it's a tickle. For others, it feels like something is stuck. And no matter how much water you drink or how often you clear your throat, the feeling returns. But here's what many seniors don't realize. This kind of mucus isn't from a cold or flu. It doesn't go away in a week. It can linger for months, even years, if the root cause isn't addressed. The good news? You have more control than you think. We'll share natural, gentle ways to reduce post-nasal drip soon. But first, let's look at another major player. 2. Hidden acid reflux. Imagine this. You don't feel heartburn. You didn't eat anything spicy. But every morning your throat feels coated, sticky, irritated, clogged. That might not be mucus from your lungs or sinuses at all. It could be acid reflux. More specifically, silent acid reflux. Silent reflux sends small amounts of stomach acid up into your throat, especially when you lie flat at night. Your body responds by producing mucus to protect your tissues. But over time, that protection becomes a daily burden. What causes this in older adults? As we age, the valve between our stomach and throat weakens. Gravity isn't on our side when we sleep. And meals eaten too late, or foods like tomatoes, chocolate, or citrus, can quietly trigger the issue. Teresa, a 68-year-old viewer, told us she thought her mucus was just from old age. But once she stopped eating after 7 p.m. and raised the head of her bed, the mucus nearly vanished in 2 weeks. Simple changes can lead to real relief. 3. Dry indoor air. Now, here's a surprising one. Dry air. Yes, dry air can actually cause your body to produce more mucus. Why? Because your throat and nasal passages are trying to protect themselves. Heated homes in the winter, air conditioning in summer. Both strip moisture from the air, and most seniors spend more time indoors than ever before. Walter, 72, tried everything for his morning cough. Allergy meds, dairy-free diets, even switching toothpaste. But it wasn't until his daughter gifted him a humidifier that things changed. 1 week later, his mucus was cut in half. 2 weeks? Almost gone. Just one small appliance, one small act of care, made a major difference. 4. Emotional impact. Let's pause for a moment, because beyond the science, there's an emotional side to this. The embarrassment during breakfast, the quiet shame of coughing in public, the worry that maybe something's wrong, and the silence we keep because it's just aging, right? But it's not just aging. It's your body trying to adapt, trying to cope, trying to ask for help in the only way it can. And that deserves your attention, your care, and your compassion. 5. Natural remedies that work. Let's talk solutions. Here are gentle, senior-friendly remedies that actually work. 1. Humidify your air. Use a cool mist humidifier in your bedroom. Keep humidity around 40–50%. 2. Elevate your head at night. Raise your pillow or use a wedge. It helps reduce silent reflux. 3. Drink warm ginger tea after dinner. Soothes the throat, reduces inflammation, and improves digestion. 4. Avoid late-night eating. Finish dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before lying down. 5. Stay hydrated. Sip water throughout the day. Dehydration thickens mucus. 6. Check your medications. Some meds dry out your sinuses. Talk to your doctor. 7. Add more plants indoors. They help purify and humidify the air naturally. Each of these tips is small, but together they send a powerful message to your body. I hear you, and I'm here for you. 6. When to talk to your doctor. Sometimes, mucus is a sign of something more. Please talk to your doctor if you notice blood in mucus, persistent hoarseness, sudden weight loss, difficulty swallowing, wheezing, or shortness of breath. These could indicate a deeper issue like chronic bronchitis, GERD, or even something more serious. It's always better to check early. Your peace of mind matters. If you've watched this far, thank you. You care about your health. You care about your mornings feeling lighter, clearer, calmer. And you deserve that. Remember this. Getting older doesn't mean accepting discomfort. It means listening to your body, noticing its quiet signals, and responding with gentle love and support. That mucus? It's not just a nuisance. It's a message. And now, you know how to listen. If this video helped you in any way, please tap the like button. Leave a comment with the number 4 to let us know you stayed till the end. And don't forget to subscribe for more wellness stories that matter. Right here, on Elderly Wellness Stories. I'm Scarlett. Thank you for being here. Until next time, stay clear, stay well, and stay beautifully you.